Hello everyone, I'm Lonnie, and I'm back to share some delicious food with you. Today, we're making roasted chicken hot pot. Without further ado, let's get started. First, cut the dried chili peppers into sections, slice the ginger, and cut the green onions into segments. Next, cut the rooster into medium-sized chunks, suitable for stir-frying and stewing. Then, pour an appropriate amount of oil into a pan. Add the dried chili peppers, 5 grams of Sichuan peppercorns, and 5 grams of prickly ash pepper. Stir fry for 1 minute until fragrant, then remove them from the pan. This step adds a rich spicy aroma to the dish. Add the chicken pieces to the pan and stir fry for 3 minutes until the chicken starts to change color and become fragrant. Add the ginger slices and green onion segments and continue to stir fry for 2 more minutes. Remove the chicken and set it aside in a bowl. In the same pan, add 20 grams of Doubanjiang fermented broad bean paste and 5 grams of fermented black beans. Stir fry until fragrant to add a rich umami flavor. Add 10 milliliters of light soy sauce and 15 milliliters of cooking wine. Then return the chicken to the pan and stir fry briefly to let the chicken absorb the flavors. Add enough water to cover the ingredients. Add a small half spoon of sugar and a small spoon of salt. Cover the pan and simmer over low heat until it reaches a boil, about 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the chicken to cook through and absorb the broth's flavors. After boiling, add another small spoon of salt for seasoning. Return the previously removed dried chili peppers, Sichuan peppercorns, and prickly ash pepper to the chicken broth to enhance the spicy flavor. Finally, transfer all the cooked ingredients to a hot pot dish. Enjoy with your favorite side dishes. Friends, you must try our roasted chicken hot pot. If you like this video, don't forget to let me know. If you find it helpful, please like and share. Thank you all for watching. Until next time.